Alright, mail just came. I got 3 things, so we're gonna open all 3, one after the other. We'll save the biggest one for last, but we'll do the second biggest one first. I forgot there's an easy way to open this. Never mind. Oh, they came already! I'm so happy. Alright, so I got all my fittings. I'm going to be doing some changes. I guess I could do them a whole lot sooner now. Oh, I should be studying. But anyway. Okay, so those are a whole bunch of Coolants fittings. So you can guess if I got Coolants fittings what the last thing is. I gotta be careful with this one. Okay, that'll work. Alright. Again, I got my Coolants fittings from Hellfire PC. He moved, so that's why he was not available during the winter. I thought, you know, oh, I just took a hiatus for... Anyway. Yeah. It's February, y'all. Have a good Black History Month. I'll be using this to wear one Sunday. It's very nice. Alright. And finally, back to computer stuff. Here we go. Okay, that was horrible. And you saw it. Here we go. Yeah, that was nice. That was bad. That was bad. Oh, fail. Fail. There we go. Okay. Now, what are the chances I get the same one? Found this on eBay. Won the bid, had the battle, won the bid. Ooh, careful. And it's still in the magnetizing bag. I gotta demagnetize myself, but this is the exact same CPU or GPU that I already have. This is the same one, the 280 overclocker with the H2O thermal intake and all that stuff. So I got a second one. So I'll be doing SLi now. Oh, I wonder how many frames per second I'll get. So, that's that. Oh, I even got some of the stuff that comes in the box. I won't be needing that. Get 10% off 5 games in the end zone. Okay, we'll see if that works. Probably won't. Yeah, power supplies, I got one. Tells you where to put it. All that stuff. I guess I'll look through that for fun. Tells you how to quick install. Sound card. Putting it up. Alright. So that's basically it. So you'll see more of this later in, I guess, benchmarks, heaven's benchmarks. See y'all later. No. Ugh.